Do you want something that is really simple, easy and cheap to make and refreshing this summer? Step in, I've got a drink right for you. In step ranch water. Now ranch is everywhere. Ranch sauce, ranch dressing, ranch steak. And I thought there'd be some evil kind of creamy concoction or something made with rich corn syrup which rot your teeth after one drink, or something which dyed a brilliant cobalt blue which has the same colour as windscreen cleaner. The ingredient lineup: Blanco tequila, fresh lime juice, and this one's going to be controversial, but traditionally it's made with a Mexican spring water called Topo Chico. Unfortunately, we don't have many Mexican stores in the UK, and when I could find it, it'd be things that have a hint of lime in, and you'd have to buy it in bulk. I'm prepared for the internet to come after me for that, but I don't really care. It's not the first time I've upset it. Ranch water history. Now this drink was originally thought to have gone back to the 1960s, where a crazy ranch owner directed himself to a place called Marathon by the Stars, and then there was another rumour that it was created as a happy hour drink on ranches for thirsty people sort of driving the cattle and all that kind of stuff. But it's thought to be more of a modern creation, created in 1998 by Kevin Williamson at the Ranch 616 restaurant in Austin, Texas. This is a simple making a glass cocktail. So I've got this new ice bucket. I bought it online. It's taken months to get to me. It's really cheap, Jack. I don't like it. So forgive me if I drop dead from nickel poison in the next couple of days. So I'm going to put these in like an annoying continental European bartender. But I always like to get the ice in first when I'm constructing drinks in their glass. Let's go with 2 ounces, that's 60 ml of Blanco tequila. A lot of recipes do call for 1.5 ounces, but I think the boozier the better. I know I did say I was going to clean up this bar, but I haven't done it. True to my word as always. So we're going to follow this up with 1/2 ounce. So that's 15 ml of fresh lime juice. If you like it a bit more sort of limey, you can go for more. And then a relatively easy bit, which can be topping it up with what should be Topo Chico, but San Pellegrino is going to do the job for me. So what I'm just going to do is I'm going to give this a quick stir. Just going to go in with a lime wheel like that. Right, now let's get on to the taste test. I really had quite low expectations for this drink, but you know what, it's actually not too bad. It's one of these things you could probably put together, so particularly if you don't have a lot of money or you run out of booze and that kind of thing. Something quite easy: tequila, lime juice, bit of spring water, soda water. Does a trick. You take it into a bit more of a Collins direction if you say, well, like a tequila Collins, if you want to put a bit of simple syrup into it, or you know, marg it up a little bit by putting a bit of Contra or triple sec in. So there's things you can build it upon, but I can see this is quite refreshing and why some people want it. You know, it fits the long drink format quite well in my opinion, so yeah, it's not bad. Obviously tequila is the main player, but the lime really does sort of add a lot of different qualities to it all. So the bitterness, obviously, you know, obviously it's not got much sweetness in it at all, but I like it, and the spring water just makes it really refreshing. So yeah, not a too bad drink. So is it going to really sort of knock your blocks off? Is it going to be one of these things that you're going to serve up your friends in a massive dinner party? No. Is it something you just want to make after a long hot day when you've been out and you just want something easy to make? Yeah. So it serves a purpose, not too bad. So you know, I'm going to give this a 6.8 out of 10.